Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm going to be showing you to press the clutch first or the brake first while riding a motorcycle. So guys, if you guys are just learning to ride a motorcycle, then you will have confusion in your mind that should I press the clutch first or should I press the brake first. So in this video I'll be explaining the 4 situations on which you should either press the clutch first or you should press the brake first, or in some situation you need to press both brake and clutch at the same time, and in the last situation you will press only the brake. So guys, let's learn the first situation, which is pressing the clutch first and then brake. So you will press your clutch first when you are riding at relatively lower speed. Means that if you are riding at the speed of around 20 to 30 km per hour and you need to stop your motorcycle, then you will press the clutch first and then you will press the brake. So you can see my speed is around 30 km per hour, and if I need to stop my motorcycle, I'll press the clutch first and then I'll gently press the brake. Okay guys, this was the first situation. Now in second situation, we'll press the brake first and then we'll press the clutch. So you will follow the second situation when you are riding at relatively higher speed. I mean more than 40 km per hour. If you take an average speed, if you are riding above 40 km per hour, then you will press the brake first, then you will reduce your motorcycle speed, and then only you will press the clutch. So I will show you by riding. So guys, now you can see that I am riding at the speed of around 50 km per hour, and if I need to stop my motorcycle, I will press the brake first and I will reduce the speed, and when your speed reduces below 20, then you will press the clutch. Okay guys, this was the second situation. In the third situation, we will press both brake and clutch at the same time. So we will press both brake and clutch at the same time when we have to stop our motorcycle in an emergency, that there is very less time, and say someone pedestrian suddenly crosses the road, or some stray dog suddenly appears in front of you. On that situation, you will press both brake and clutch at the same time. Now I am riding at the speed of around 40. Now let's say I need to stop in an emergency, then I will press both brake and clutch at the same time, like this. This was the third situation, and the last situation is you will press only the brake, but you will not touch the clutch pedal. So you will press only brake when, let's say, you need to reduce your speed little bit. Now I'm riding at 50 km per hour, and if I need to reduce my speed little bit, then I will press only the brake, and then I will accelerate again. Most of the time you will follow the final situation, like when you are entering in the corner. On that case, you need to reduce your speed little bit. On that situation, you will not change the gear, you will simply press the brake and reduce your speed of the motorcycle, and when you have finished the corner, then you will again accelerate, and again you will increase the speed of your motorcycle. So guys, these were the 4 situations on which either you should press the clutch first or you should press the brake first. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe and take care.